my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all super cozy, grab your cuppa and enjoy this video. In today's video I wanted to film a Christmas clean with me. I've been so excited to film it and I wanted to share with you some new additions I wanted to add to mine and Bradley's home. To start off, I'm going to clean the kitchen. There wasn't loads that needed to be done, but I wanted to make sure it was all super shiny and just smells all Christmassy. I feel like Christmassy smells are just the best. I used my favourite winter scents and the kitchen honestly smelled incredible. So that is what I wanted to do first.
And the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
I'm then just going to go around with the hoover just to hoover up any crumbs and things like that, and then after that I'm going to use my Flash Speed Mop. I absolutely love this. It is super quick and easy, and the wipes are biodegradable, which is great for the environment, and it's just so good. Honestly, I wish I got this sooner. I literally love it so much. So yeah, I highly recommend this. I think I got mine from Sainsbury's on offer, so definitely invest if you haven't already. It's only like £10, so it's so good. So the new bits I wanted to show you that me and Bradley have been so excited to add into our home are these new prints from Desenio. Desenio have partly sponsored this part of the video, and I've literally used Desenio prints for years. I even used to buy them before I worked with them, so to work with them all the time is a dream come true. But one thing I haven't actually used from their site are their personalised prints, and I am obsessed with these. So I added mine and Bradley's anniversary to them, and I think it makes such a special touch. It's also perfect timing for Christmas coming up. You can give your loved ones a unique gift, like any anniversaries or anything like that coming up for your loved ones. I think it's so perfect. So I do have a 20% off code for you guys. So you can get 20% off the personalised posters and all other posters on Desenio's site using the code AMYPersonalised. I will leave all the details in the description box down below. But don't miss this opportunity and this code, because the code is only valid until midnight the 12th of December. So be quick. The frames aren't included, but you can shop all of this in the description box down below. As you can see, I also wanted to change the frames up in the lounge as well. I added these beautiful silver frames, and I just want to add all the frames in the flat silver now. So I'm kind of thinking, oh no, I need to spend a lot of money changing all the frames because I really like the silver look. But yeah, I'm literally obsessed with them, and you can see how nice they look, and it just creates such a unique gift. It's just amazing. So I'll leave all info and codes down below.
Let me tell you about old Saint Nick and me, as tight as can be. It's been that way forever. Guess we're shapes that go together.
It is now time to move on to dusting, and I am so excited because I'm going to use my new Primark winter spray. This honestly smells incredible. I've also got the White Company winter diffuser, and it smells so similar, so it's so nice to have more of an affordable version of that as a spray. So I'm just going to spray my curtains, my faux flowers and all of that kind of stuff, and then I'm just going to move on to dusting everywhere.
Oh
So after all of the dusting is done, I'm then going to move on to the sofa and just make it look a lot neater by puffing out all of the cushions and making it look super cozy and neat. After I do this, I always feel like, oh, I shouldn't sit on the sofa because I just love how it looks. I'm then going to move on to hoovering. I feel like hoovering is the last thing I do after I've dusted everywhere and mopped everywhere, because I feel like it sort of completes the whole finish, do you know what I mean, when it comes to cleaning. So after I've hoovered, I'm then going to use my favourite 1001 Frosted Winterberry Spray. This smells amazing. You put it on after you've hoovered and it just soaks into your carpet and it smells incredible. In the bedroom, I didn't actually have loads to do apart from dust. So I'm just going to dust everywhere, the bedside tables, mirrors, tellies and all of that kind of stuff, just to make it look a lot cleaner. As you can see, there was a pile of shoes behind me, but they were Bradley's, so yeah, it was his job. There's a mix of mine and his, but it's always his job to do the shoes, so I left that for him because I'd done everything else and I was like, I hate doing this job. So yeah, I'm just going to do dusting. Beauty room was super messy today, mainly because it becomes my storage room over Christmas time, which is hard because I need to work in here, but we live in such a small home, so I have to make do with the space that we've got, so it is quite hard sometimes, but it's all good. I can wrap all the presents soon, put them under the tree, and yeah, we're all good to go.
Down the street, Christmas tree.
I didn't need to do the bathroom today as I did do it yesterday, but after every room is done in my home, I then like to put my wax melts and candles on. This is the time where I can feel fully relaxed and I love it. It's the best feeling when everything is tidy and the candles are on and it just smells incredible, so I absolutely love it. Anyway, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you are new to my channel. It would mean the world to me, as a lot of you who watch me aren't subscribed, so it would be amazing if you could subscribe. And come and say hi to me over on Instagram. I will list everything that I've shown you guys in the description box down below, including my codes for Desenio. It only lasts until the 12th of December at midnight, so make sure you're quick and get your prints and stuff for Christmas. It's perfect. But yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed it and I will speak to you in the comments down below.